of the great new things that we have out for our customers is we are now a contractor for city gas. What does that mean? What's the benefit of that for our customers? Well, city gas has, as you can see here by the banner, some great rebate opportunities for their customers. Whether you change from gas to gas, electric to gas, they have some great rebate offers. I mean, rebates are good enough that they almost cover the cost of the complete cost of installation. In some cases, they might even cover the complete cost of installations. But the beauty is, before you used to have to buy the heater, get the installation, then send the paperwork to City Gas and wait your 30 or 60 days or 90 days for them to send you a rebate check. Not anymore. Now that we're contractors for them, we handle everything for you. We take the money out of your original payment, so you don't have to come up with the money up front, and we do the paperwork for you, and we wait to get reimbursed. It's not your problem anymore. It's ours. That's just one more way that Miami Water Heater is making life easier for our customers.